everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through how to generate a gift card template in Blue Onion, specifically for our QuickBooks customers. Gift cards do require special accounting treatment, and so that means we need to structure and understand the journal entry carefully so it maps correctly in QuickBooks. So today you will learn how to generate your gift card template as well as understand the different structuring of the liability and redemption entries. And then you will be able to generate and save the template and ultimately post into QuickBooks. First, we're going to start by navigating to the journal entries page here on the left. The first page is our Explorer page. You're going to be defaulted to the interactive view. This is where we'll build the gift card logic before saving it as a reusable template. First, I recommend toggling export view because I find it easier to read the data. This first thing we're going to do is we're going to actually toggle to our gift cards journal entry type. Now for gift cards where you have a customer that uses a gift card in a purchase, so let's say a purchase is $100 and they use a $50 gift card, you'll actually see that entry in the orders journal entry, and you'll see that as a clearing account. You'll also see any gift cards that are purchased by customers in the orders journal entry. We have a separate gift card journal entry specifically to call out the different situations where we have gift cards. So we have a gift card where it's issued. This is where we have an increase in your liability and most likely an expense when gift cards have been expired, as well as if there has been any refund with a gift card or a balance adjustment. There are really two ways to think about this gift card journal entry. First, you do have gift cards that are issued as complimentary, which means that these are issued for free for the customer, but at an expense for the company. We also have gift cards that are issued by different gift card providers. A common one is Shopify or Rise, and we'll indicate what that is. Customers typically end up having one journal entry template for gift cards, but of course you do have an option to filter based on the same groupings you would see in the orders cancellation or revenue recognition journal entry. In this case, I would recommend actually leaving the data as is, or you can filter by specific channels. Again, if you wanted to see specifically for Returnly or online store, you can see the details there. Now that I've decided this is how I want to configure this journal entry, I am now going to go to templates and I'm going to create a gift card template. I've decided to call this gift card template, but you can name it whatever you would like. And you're going to select the gift card journal entry type. I want to select financial statement currency. And then I've decided I want everything, so I actually don't need to filter anything. If you did want to filter, this would be similar to any of the other templates, like your orders through revenue recognition, where you would either select a specific processor, order system account, or maybe a channel. Again, once you update that template and you save it, you'll see that it's populated here in the template view. For QuickBooks customers, you'll continue to see those four icons: the edit button, the preview manual push, and the ability to map to your general ledger accounts. All of those will need to take place before you can successfully push your gift card journal entry into QuickBooks. Thank you.